You know, me I think about something. Me don't know if it can work, but me I put it to the public still. Now, driving lessons are very expensive, and not everybody can afford driving lessons because driving lessons is for 3,500 for 2 hours, and most person is gonna need between 10 to 15 lessons to master some kind of driving. Now, me I say, can the government assist the country with driving lessons, free driving lessons? But how? I believe the government can at least install or put into place two or one instructor at every examination depot. Two or one instructor at every examination depot. And how it will work now, those who are interested in getting driving lessons, free driving lessons, would go to the depot, and the depot now would make an appointment for that person. So if me go in, must say, Anchor, come in February the 15th, 9 a.m. Tom come in, you come in February the 16th, 10 a.m. And that's how it operates on a schedule or appointment basic. Now, when me go in at February the 1st now, and me get my 2 hour driving lesson, it must say to you now, come back March 1st for the next lesson. What do you think about that? And they also teach us the road code. So that every time you go in for lessons, you'll get driving lesson, but you get the road code lesson also. They teach you how to use the road. Because we strongly believe that if you have good instructors, you will have better drivers on the road. Better instructor give you better drivers. So what do you think about that? What do you think about the government installing instructors to give the public free driving lessons and an appointment basic? Think about that, because that's what Anchor think about, how to help the public with low cost or free of cost. And guess what? Those instructors would pass on good information. Because guess what? When our friend teach you how to drive, can teach us how to drive, but them don't know road code. So while you are teaching them how to drive, you teach them road code at the same time. So public, let me know if it's a good idea for the government to put into place free driving lessons for the public at all the examination depot. Big up on yourself. Let me hear your voice on this one.